Not much.
All right, I got a line. Grace, throw me a line.
Oh, no!
It's okay. Can you get up past those broken rungs?
No!
Try again, son. Keep going. Don't give up, Chance. Be careful. Watch it! Be careful! Chance!
Mac, can you throw him the line? All right, Chance, you climb down to your dad. All right, see if you can throw it over one of the good rungs.
You gotta try again, son. Good. You got it?
Yes,
Chance, I want you to tie our knot.
I know. One-handed full line knot. Over, undergirdle.
He knows. Now drop the other end to me. John, you okay?
I got you.
Keep going!
Grab my hand. I got my hand.
Get him!
Don't. I'm sorry. Just go find your mom.
I need a doctor here, please. Hurry, please. We drove all night. We just got here from Denver.
How long ago did he get in?
About 8 hours. I tried to keep pressure on the wound.
Nancy, could you come over here right away? Any other injuries?
He hurt his leg in a car accident.
Let's get an IV here. He's off the level.
Danny, I'm right here.
His airway's stable. He's breathing. Let's get a pressure.
Is he going to be okay?
Please step back. Let's get that IV in. 1 liter, 16 gauge, full out. He's hypervolemic and he's tachycardic. Let's run some blood as well. 2 units O negative. What's that head wound doing, Nan?
It's still losing.
Let's get some sutures in that. He's going to need about 20 sutures. I don't think he has any injuries.
So is he going to be all right?
He's lost a lot of blood. We're hanging some blood right now. He's stable. We'll have to wait and see.
You need to leave. We have got to have room to work. It's going to be okay. It's all right.
Excuse me. Oh.
He's making Can I help you?
Is this Eminence, Kansas?
Yes.
It's the only refugee center where the I-70 meets the border?
Correct.
And that's the main gate?
Why don't you just go on inside? I'm sure whoever you're waiting for...
Thanks anyway.
We were a long way from the blast. Our little family's gonna be just fine. Warm enough?
Yes. How are you?
In love?
Still, huh?
Forever.
There was an accident.
Megan, where's Danny? He's over there at number 14. He's fine.
Be back here in half an hour.
Promise it'll be fine. I'm so sorry.
And in Denver at this hour, fires continue to burn as National Guard and rescue workers begin the arduous task of... We are now going to go to the White House as the President prepares to address the nation.
The horror we have witnessed today in Denver makes us realize more than ever that in God's eyes, we are little more than children playing with matches. Perhaps the greatest danger we human beings have ever faced is our own genius for invention. Inventions of such awesome power that they seem to take on lives of their own. All we can hope is that we find the wisdom to learn from our mistakes and increase our vigilance to protect ourselves from ourselves. I call on all Americans at this time to pull together, to gather strength, and focus on the task at hand, to start anew, to be reborn, to rebuild. And may God help us all.
Hi.
Hi.
Still.
I found Danny. He smiled at me.
Oh, honey, I'm so glad.
Megan, thanks for taking care of him.
That's what families do, honey.
What do we do now?
Well, there's some people over there that look like they could use some help. Call me safe.
Yes, baby.